Hello and Namaste. My name is Aparajita. I welcome you all to this beautiful crafty world of art for art's sake. Today I'm going to make a beautiful DIY bird craft which is based on the wading bird heron. I am going to use some pine cones and newspaper tubes to make this craft. Believe me guys, it is super easy and super creative, which will enhance the beautiful decor of your house. Let's start the craft. To make this bird craft, we need a pine cone, a thin wire, some newspaper tubes, a bamboo square, paintbrush, glue gun, a piler, a pair of scissors, a glue, a masking tape, and some 3D colors. Then we need at last a thick piece of corrugated cardboard. So to make the legs of the bird, we need a bamboo square and some paper tubes. So this is the length of the paper tube paper, and you have to roll it like this using the bamboo skewer, and be careful to make it thin. And secure the end by putting some gum like this. So we actually need 3 paper tubes, one for the neck of the bird and other 2 tubes for the legs. Now it's time to insert the aluminum wire inside this paper tube so that I can make a stable legs for the heron. Now with the help of glue gun, I'll attach the legs to the pine cones. Like this, and secure it with some more glue. Now again I'm going to insert the third wire into the third tube like this, and this is for the neck. Now I'll measure the wire inside it, and I'll cut off the extras like this, and I'll give it a curve like this just to give the head shape of the head like this, and I'll bend it like this so that I can attach the neck to the pine cones like this. The shape to the head, we need some pieces of tissue paper like this. Just to give the head a shape. Secure with glue gun like this. To secure the head, we need the masking tape, and I'll wrap it around the head to give it a proper look like this. You can see how I'm doing it. Now I have to put the gum like this to attach the neck of the bird like this. Now you can see that I have attached the neck and the legs to the pine cone, and you can see the bird standing like this. So this is the frame of the bird I have made. So already let the glue dry. To make the beak of the bird, we need to make a cone like this with the help of paper, and we can secure it with the glue gun like this. And we have to cut it like this. Now again, with the help of glue gun, I have to attach the beak like this. To make it stand on its own, I'm taking a piece of corrugated cardboard like this, where I have made a hole so that I can insert the legs like this and the bird can stand properly. So now I'm going to bend the one of its leg like this to give it a proper look as if the bird is standing. Put the glue inside properly and insert the legs like this. Now it's time to color it. So for coloring it, I need some 3D color, pearl colors. So I've taken the color of my choice, that is pearl green color, and a medium sized brush. Now I'm going to brush the body with this green pearl color, and the head also, and the legs and the beak will be of black color. You can just see how I'm doing it. I'm just coloring the body, the pine. And after coloring, please keep it for 24 hours to dry up. Now we should color each and every feathers of it, just to give it a nice look or a 3D look. We're just using the pearl color so that the bird's feather should shine and it will look beautiful. Color the neck. Craft is your own imagination and your own creativity, so I don't think that you should follow my steps, but you can make your own piece and choosing your own colors. Now it's time to color the beak and the legs. I have taken black because green and black for me is a better combination, and it will also give a better look, beautiful look, if I say, to the bird. Now once the beak is done, color the legs very carefully using a thin brush. Color it black. If you want, you can color it maroon also. To give a finished look to the cardboard, I have taken a mixture of POP, 2 spoons of plaster of Paris, 1 spoon of glue and 1 spoon of water, and I have made a thin paste like this, and with the help of brush I will apply it all over the cardboard. 3 coats like this. Make sure that you are covering all the parts of the cardboard, and after giving 2-3 coats, you can color the now I'm taking the spoon and applying a bit of thick plaster just to give a stony effect, as if the bird is standing near the rocks. Now as it is done, I'll leave it for 24 hours so that it can dry well. Now as you can see, I'm using some brown and yellow color to color on the top of the Paris, just to give it a muddy effect, because these kinds of herons are generally found near the dampy area, which is full of mud and little bit of water. So I think I have made justice with the look. Now you can see the effect. After 24 hours of drying up, the final look of the bird is like this. You can see how beautiful it looks. Isn't it creative and beautiful? Hope you enjoyed this craft. Thank you BMB for giving me an opportunity to showcase this DIY video on this beautiful platform. Thank you once again Sarbaridi and Upasna for giving me an opportunity. Bye bye. Have a nice day.